Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today we will be discussing about what is critical control point in maintenance. Let's jump right into it. What is critical control point in maintenance? A critical control point, CCP, in maintenance refers to a specific stage or element in a maintenance process where control is essential to prevent, eliminate, or reduce the risk of a failure or malfunction to an acceptable level. Identifying CCPs involves analyzing the system or equipment to determine which points are crucial for maintaining operational safety, efficiency, and performance. How to identify CCPs in maintenance? Conduct a failure modes and effects analysis, FEMEA, analyze equipment criticality, assess the importance of equipment to the overall operation, and identify those with the highest impact in case of failure. Review maintenance history. Analyze historical data to identify recurring failures and patterns, pinpointing areas prone to issues. Consider operator feedback. Input from operators can highlight areas of concern and potential failure points. Benefits of focusing on CCPs. Enhanced reliability. By concentrating efforts on critical control points, organizations can prevent major failures and extend the lifespan of their equipment. Reduced downtime. Effective CCP management leads to fewer unexpected breakdowns and minimizes downtime, resulting in smoother and more efficient operations. Cost savings. Preventive maintenance and timely interventions at CCPs can reduce repair costs and avoid the high expenses associated with emergency repairs and production stoppages. Improved safety. Properly managed CCPs help in maintaining safety standards, preventing accidents, and ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements. Optimized resource allocation. Focusing on CCPs allows organizations to allocate resources more effectively, directing maintenance efforts where they will have the most significant impact. Implementing CCPs, a step-by-step guide. Training and awareness. Educate your maintenance team about the importance of CCPs and how to identify and manage them effectively. Integrate with existing systems. Incorporate CCP monitoring into your existing maintenance management systems and processes. Leverage technology. Use advanced technologies like predictive analytics and IoT sensors to enhance the monitoring and control of critical parameters. Document and communicate. Keep detailed records of CCPs, control measures, and any incidents. Communicate findings and improvements to all relevant stakeholders. Continuous improvement. Adopt a culture of continuous improvement by regularly reviewing CCP effectiveness and making necessary adjustments to processes and controls. Conclusion: critical control points, CCP, represent a powerful approach to maintenance management. By identifying and focusing on the areas that have the most significant impact on equipment performance and operational efficiency, organizations can achieve greater reliability, reduce downtime, and optimize maintenance efforts. Learn this video. Helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We're looking forward to see you until then. Take care.